Are you curious what a two-bedroom condo looks like at Pualei Circle? This is David Buck with Harcourts Island Real Estate, and we're just about to close on a two-bedroom, one-bathroom condo here at Hale Pua Lei. And this is a unit I sold my clients well over 10 years ago, and things happen in life, so it's time to sell, and we got a great buyer and a great price. But for those of you that don't know, Pualei Circle is a highly desirable area here in Diamond Head. So let's go take a look and then we'll catch up at the end. Hale Pua Lei is located at 3111 Pualei Circle and was built in 1959, the year of statehood. The unit we're going to be looking at is unit 101, which is on the bottom level. As you come in through the front door, you can feel a nice breeze that flows through the unit. A lot of the buildings in Pualei Circle were built with jalousie windows. Think about it, in the year 1959, that was traditional prior to any air conditioning in Hawaii. And this is a great location, near the base of Diamond Head, which we'll come to in a second. But this is a two-bedroom, one-bathroom, and it's not by any means the largest two-bedroom in the circle, nor is it the smallest. It's 739 square feet, which is pretty ample. This is a partition that separates bedroom number 2 with the living area, and this is a big selling feature, is this outdoor covered lanai with views of Diamond Head out the back. Take a look at that. And then this unit we're going to come to in a bit, but it does come with one covered parking stall, which is at the end of this bank here. If you picked up on any of those faint noises earlier, Hale Pua Lei is adjacent to Waikiki Elementary School. So this is a Friday afternoon and the kids are out playing and it's kind of a peaceful noise. However, let's go check out the laundry room now. Most of the condos in Pualei Circle come with community laundry, but the bonus here at Hale Pua Lei is this additional storage room, and there's an oversized storage closet that comes with this unit, which is going to be locker number 8 to put all your beach toys and everything, because as we saw earlier, this is right next to Kapilani Park. And as we come out of the laundry room, this will give you an idea of where the mailboxes are and for your packages and bike storage, etc. However, let's go take a look at where that parking stall was. Another advantage of Hale Pua Lei is the covered parking. Not all the units do have covered parking, but this particular unit 101 comes with one deeded stall, which is stall number 2. That's a little perspective where the stall was and Diamond Head out the back, but the big advantage here of Hale Pua Lei is its location in Diamond Head. If you have more questions about Hale Pua Lei or other condos here in Pualei Circle, my name is David Buck with Harcourts Island Real Estate. I can be reached at 808-371-3509. Aloha.